Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. Today we will study the next subtypes of reproduction, which is the asexual reproduction. Reproduction means the production of next generation, next offspring. It has two basic types: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction involves both male and female partners combining together to form the next generation, zygote or embryo. In asexual reproduction involves only one parent, and the one parent transfers its genetic material same exactly like it has into the next generation. Okay, reading. Asexual reproduction. Asexual, a meaning one, sexual meaning one gender produces the next generation, is the reproduction of organism without the exchange of genetic material. The offspring of asexual reproduction is known as the clone. The offspring which are produced under the asexual reproduction are called cloning, and this whole process is also called cloning, which means there is no genetic variation between the parent and the offspring. Genetic variation meaning differences in the DNA of the organism. In the sexual reproduction, some cells come from mother and some from father. When these cells are combined together, next generation is produced, and the next generation will have characteristics from both the father and the mother. But as in asexual reproduction, only one parent is involved, so the next child or the next clone will be the photocopy of its parent, because there is no variation, because no different cells combine or fuses together, but the one cell has transferred into the next generation same as it is. Plants such as potatoes or daffodils, which grow in tubes and bulbs, undergo a process of asexual reproduction. In these lines, they have given you the examples of asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction occurs in potatoes and daffodils. Daffodils are the flowers, and potatoes, they reproduce by forming a bud along their body. A small sac-like structure is formed on the body of the potato, and the parent potato turned into the offspring potato. Okay. Sexual reproduction occurs in human beings, animals, and different kinds of birds and fishes, etc. But asexual reproduction occurs in some of the microorganisms like bacteria, amoeba, parameciums, and plants like basics example potatoes and daffodils. You have to keep the comparison between the sexual and asexual reproduction. Sexual involves two parents and asexual involves only one parent. This is the key difference between the both reproduction.